Hey, Kirsten,
Hey, Peter.
where are we at?
Piazza Barberini.
Ah, what's so special about the Piazza Barberini?
It's where the big giant menorah is.
Oh, so we're in Rome.
Mm-hmm.
Is where that is at. And so we have a giant menorah right next to us,
Right.
which is what you pretty much just said. And we're here with Riley.
Reese and Riley.
Reese. Hello. All right, so they haven't lit it just yet. And it's right there. Very nice.
And they have a cherry picker for it.
Yeah, they're setting it up right now. So we will see what they do. I guess they're waiting for the rabbi to come over.
Rabbi in the bucket.
Yeah, get in the cherry picker bucket and go to the top and light it on up. So we'll have more stuff about that later. Ciao.
Happy Hanukkah.